The Central Malawi Conference of Seventh-day Adventist Church is hosting a special camp meeting from April 17 to 20 at Chiaview in Dowa District. According to Pastor John Perry, the conference president, this event is unique because it brings together Christians from diverse backgrounds to worship God.
It's going to be a very massive experience, and we have even gone ahead to invite the best of our brains that we can find who can facilitate the workshops, the services that are going to be offered there. It's going to be a multi-menu kind of program that we are offering from the social aspect to the spiritual aspect to the mental. We just want to feed the whole human being who comes there. So we hope it's going to be an exciting thing. But for me, the most important thing, we feel like we'll experience God with us because we'll spend more time praying. Actually, we have a special prayer garden for your information. You'll see it, especially dedicated to those who are coming there, because we are trying to tell them, or we are encouraging them, you are here for nothing but facing the Lord. So if you have worries, fears, issues, you want to glorify God, thank Him, you can even spend the night there.
One of the exciting aspects of this camp meeting is the plan to build a vocational school and a hospital, among other projects, which aim to benefit the local community.
We bought about 119 acres of land sometime in around 2016 for the purpose of launching our mission, pursuits into the interiors of Dowa and the neighboring countries. This is like in Chisi, Salima. And so we want to establish a full-scale mission where there's going to be a secondary school, there's going to be a vocational school, there's going to be an industry, and a few more other things that are coming there, like an agricultural training center. There's several things that we are planning to plant in that place.
Concerns about sanitation and transportation have been addressed.
We are prepared in all the areas that someone may wish to know. With the well-treated water to drink, and this water being a village, being a bush area, is a drilled water from the ground, which will be well looked after by the water specialist. So in terms of sanitation, we are well prepared, even including the toilets. We'll have pit latrines. Even the road to Guma, I know it's a dusty road, but it's a road which is well graded, that even the saloon cars can reach that place. As a committee, we've organized some coaches or some minibuses that will be used to ferry people to the site. And we are only looking for 20,000 kwacha for someone to contribute as a payment or a fee for transport. And we've got designated places where people will be picked from Lilongwe. We've got Mama Hotel, we've got Crossroads, we've got CMC offices in Area 49, we have Kanengo plus Dowa 10 off. So the plan is on Thursday, 17th, 2 o'clock is departure time. On Friday, 18th, 8 a.m. is departure time.
Chiaview 2025 invites everyone to join in worship and meet God face to face.